Hello, it's Guy here from Aussie Ventures. Today we're going to road test the SMH10. I'm on my Honda ST1100, so it has a full fairing and I've got a full-faced helmet on as well. So I'm fairly protected, but a little bit later we'll try it on a 900 Hornet, and it doesn't have a fairing. We'll see the difference with sound quality. My SMH10 is connected to the Sena GP10 audio box via Bluetooth, so what I say is being recorded through the microphone and directly into my GoPro Hero 3. So we'll head off and ride along at 60. And at 60 kilometres an hour, you can tell there's no wind noise at all. You can talk with your passenger or your mates on another bike quite easily. That's at 80 kilometres an hour, and then we speed up to 100, which is there, and that sounds quite good. We'll see you for the next part of the trip, and you can hear what it sounds like on a bike with no fairing. Now this is the difference. I'm on a Honda 900 Hornet with no fairing. I've still got my full-faced helmet. Out on the freeway, 110 kilometres an hour, and got the wind blowing around me, not protected at all, and what you can hear through the intercom is what you should be able to hear if you had a pillion passenger on. And but yeah, still using a full-faced helmet. So as you can see, the wind noise reduction with the Sena SMH10s is terrific.